Well, hello, everybody. Welcome back. I'm Mark Anthony. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix your Substack and find the people that you need to find. Now, some of you are going, Substack? Never heard of it. You need to be on there. Okay, this is it's been around a couple of years, but it's just probably in the last year has really gained a lot of momentum. Okay, it is a publishing platform for newsletters. It's free. Okay, and you can monetize it. This opens up new opportunities for a lot of people to create a business, create a brand, become an authority on their terms. Now, as much as I love Substack, it's got some issues. All platforms have issues. This one has what is called notes. It's basically their version of Twitter. People can go on there, those that have a Substack account and leave notes, updates, commentary, things like that. The problem is that if you just leave it straight out of the box, it's going to give you whatever the analytics say is popular overall. So you're going to get politics, you're going to get celebrity news, you're going to get Hollywood news, you're going to get it's just a mess, and it doesn't help you find the people that you want to find, the people that you want to connect with. So just as this video title explained, I'm going to fix your Substack, find your people. Now, Substack does try to fix your feed, customize it a little bit better for you. When you open up the account, it's going to ask you certain questions, and all that. Now, they do have topics, but it's a mixed bag. Okay, OpenAI, Microsoft, Google, Apple, makeup and cookie recipes, NBA, Taylor Swift. Okay, they think these are important topics that you might want to subscribe to. All right. Yeah. Okay. I really don't want to follow Taylor Swift. Seriously. All right. Now, in fixing that, in fixing the algorithm that is going to fix your notes, go to Google. All right. Here's my example. All right. I'm looking for people on Substack talking about content creators. So there it is. Content creator site Substack. This is what Google gave me. These are all people, all publishers on Substack that are talking about content creation. If I want to get it a little bit more focused, adding that brings up a little bit more fine-tuned list of people that you want to read. So take some time, go through that list, go check them out one by one, see what they wrote, add your voice, add your commentary to what they've added. Look at their notes, see, and again, start this conversation, start this feedback, because other people are going to read what they wrote, and then they're going to read what you wrote, and then they're going to go, this is a well thought out, well written comment. I want to know more about this person. So they hit your name, they go to your profile, they see what you wrote, and go, hey, I want to connect with this person, and they follow you. This feeds into the algorithm, and it starts to fine-tune your notes. So we checked out Google search, got some decent feedback, but I want more focused. So you go to advanced search in Google. This is all you have to fill out. Words. I am looking for a content creator, YouTube vlogger. A more exact phrase would be YouTube tips. I want to use site domain of substack.com, and I want the terms appearing anywhere in the page. There it is. These are a more specific, more focused list of Substack publishers talking about content creation, YouTube vlogger. Notice it has already filled in the quotes for me. So now this is what I'm looking for. You can change this to your niche, to your topic, to whatever it is that you're looking for. Change this to to what you want search to find. Try it. Just throw in some other terms, some other niches, see what comes up. As always, subscribe to the ones that resonate with you, the ones that you can relate to. Add your commentary, add your comments. Okay, so you find the people that resonate with you, the publications that you want to follow, the people that you want to learn from, the people that can help you move along. And so again, you subscribe to them, you follow them, read and write their in comments and in their notes. Okay, now notes, which is what the focus of this video is about. You want to see notes of what other people wrote in your niche. All right. So here it is for mine. Okay. This is what you type in right there. All right. Here are all of the notes that Google has found on Substack relating to YouTube content creators. Any note that they're talking about content creators, here they are right there. Okay. So now you have a feel for who these people are. You're following them. You are adding commentary. You're getting feedback. You're seeing your note feed start to shape up more towards what it is that you want. So another thing that you want to do is the people that you're following, go back and see who they recommend. Who do they want you to follow? Who do they want you to connect with? So here's a really cool one. I just found her doing this. I found her, and she's an awesome person. But here are the other publishers that she wants you to follow. Okay. Again, you check these out. You follow the ones that resonate with you, the ones that you like. So again, when you go through their recommended lists of publications they think that you should read, that you should follow, this not only fine-tunes your note feed, but it's going to grow your subscriber base as well. This is going to help you become an authoritative voice. This is going to help you build your brand, and then you monetize as you go along. So it's going to make you money, which is what we're all after here. Okay, the final tip that I have to fix your feed and meet the people that you need to meet is on your own page. Okay, when you go to home, here you are. Look at this little right there. Okay, this set as for you is what the algorithm for Substack says you should be reading. This is popular over the whole website. This is why you're getting politics. You're getting Hollywood buzz. You're getting all this stuff that has nothing to do with you. To fix this, change that to following. Now, the only notes that you're going to see are from people that you follow. These are all of the people you are subscribed to, and they throw in some suggestions. All right. So there it is. Fix your Substack, find your people, grow your voice, become more of an authority in your niche, grow your business, make money. For those of you that don't know, on Substack, you can turn your newsletter into a paid newsletter. Start out as free, and then, okay, so there's multiple ways to make money off of Substack, but that's a completely different video. Right now, I just want you to start to fine tune your Substack notes, your Substack feed, because this is where it all starts. All right. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave me your comments and your questions down below. I'm Mark Anthony, Mr. Mark Knows, and I will see you on the next video.